Hey, Couch Timers, how we doing? I wanted to go ahead and this is one of my favorite songs of all time. You can see right there the name is called Sledgehammer, made by Peter Gabriel. And to be honest with you, this song went down as a pop song. In my eyes, this was not a pop song. This was a rhythm and blues song. This was an R&B hit. And I'll give you my reasons as the song goes on. The instrumentation, the bass line and the beat and the horns, and just with the delivery of Peter Gabriel himself, just his voice and the way he delivers it. Not to mention the backup singers that show up at the end of the song. You tell me if this is a pop song or if this is an R&B song. I want to be your sledgehammer. Come on, man. Sorry, y'all. I had a little problem starting the video there. Really weird, right?
You could have a steam train if you just lay down your tracks. You could have an airplane flying if you bring your blue skies back. All you do is call me. I'll be anything you need. You could have a big dipper going up and down all around the bends. You could have a thunder car bumping. There's amusement never ends. I wanna be the sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name?
And for the younger people watching this video right now, you're like, this is really quirky and really cheap, and I could do this on my phone with an app at home. Yes, you could, but you have to understand, this is the 80s. This was groundbreaking stuff. This took a lot of time. I can't imagine how much time it took to put together all these different shots and make the still motion animation like come to life and everything. It's just really weird, but yeah, this was groundbreaking stuff when it first came out.
Be a sledgehammer. This will be my testimony.
And
Show me around your fruit cage. 'Cause I will be your honey bee. Open up your fruit cage. Where that fruit
are y'all listening to the lyrics? Are y'all listening to the lyrics of this song?
is sweet as can be. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? You better call the sledgehammer. This could be my testimony. I'm your sledgehammer.
taking it to the bridge. This is the bridge. Like James Brown say, take it to the bridge. This is the bridge. This is the rhythm and blues song. Backup singers.
I kick the habit, shed my skin. This is the new stuff. I come man singing. You show for me. I will show for you. Show for me. I will show for you. Only you. You can come into. I don't feel that power. A little bit of that power. Come on, help me through. Come on, help me through. I've been feeling the rhythm. I've been feeling the rhythm.
Yeah. I love this one, man. Peter Gabriel, Sledgehammer. Staple of the 80s, if you ask me. Not a pop song. Rhythm and blues, man. Peter Gabriel. Love it. Love it. Like, comment, subscribe. Greertv. I'm at 50 subscribers right now. I really want to get to 100 subscribers. Help me do that. Click the subscribe button right there. Right there. Subscribe. Right there. It's that button right there. Thank y'all.